All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about something that's it's a pet peeve of mine, okay? And that's, as a mechanic, when you go troubleshoot a piece of equipment, the first thing you're going to see is the battery cable terminal completely jacked up, right? You got crap on the terminal of the battery, there's green growing all over it, or a lot of times what you're going to find is the stupid bolt-on terminals, right? That they have this bolt and you basically clamp it onto the wire. And I hate those things. Damn things are the worst. So if you have that on your equipment, or even worse, your car, please do yourself a favor. After you watch this, you're going to want to go out there and change that out ASAP, because what I'm about to show you is going to be the way on how to properly not just maintain your battery terminals, but how to properly repair those. So I'm going to show you real quick how to repair a battery terminal end with a soldered connection. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is measure the depth of the terminal, and then that's how much insulation you want to cut off your wire. All right, we're going to just take this off here real quick. I'm going to peel that up, get that plastic coating off. All right, we're just about ready. Now, this is a soldered battery terminal, and you can pick these up at your local automotive store. They're readily available, and I'm just going to put it in my vise here real quick, and then this is what's called a solder slug, and they come in the size of your terminal, so you want to make sure you get the right gauge. And I'm just going to pop it in here real quick. I'm just going to grab a regular hand torch, and I'm going to start heating up the stem of that terminal. You want to keep a close eye on that slug. You see it melting? Once it starts melting, I'm going to leave the heat on there for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to dip the wire right into that solder. And here's the important part. You want to hold on to that. You don't want to move it. There you have it. It's cooled off. But look how good that looks. Right? Looks great, professional, completely soldered. And I guarantee you, you'll never have issues with the battery ever being an issue again. Go ahead and clean your post, put your new terminals in, and spray on some of that battery terminal protector, and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps you out. We'll see you in the next episode. And remember, guys, if you are not yet a subscriber, please hit the follow button. Share it to somebody that you may know that may need help with the battery terminals. And if you like, please hit that like button. Help us grow our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.